In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to change the background color based on buy and sell signals. So let's find out how to do that with MQL5. To get started, please click on the little icon here or press F4 on your keyboard. Now you should see the MetaEditor window, and here you want to click on File, New File, Expert Advisor from Template, Continue. I will call this file Simple Background Color, click on Continue, Continue and Finish. Now you can delete everything above the onTick function and the two command lines here. First we need to get the ask price. This is done by using symbol info double. For the current symbol on the chart, we use symbol underscore ask, and with normalized double and underscore digits, we make sure that the number of digits behind the dot is automatically calculated. That could be either 3 or 5 digits, depending on the currency pair. Now we repeat the process using symbol underscore bit this time to calculate the bit price. And we also need to create a string. This will be called signal, and we don't assign a value here because we are going to calculate that now. Our expert advisor is going to use a moving average, so the first thing to do is to create a moving average array. This is going to hold our values, and we use the included IMA function that comes with MQL5 to create a moving average. For the current symbol on the chart and the currently selected period, our moving average is going to calculate the values based on the last 20 candles. We start with the current candle. The method should be mode underscore SMA for simple moving average. And we calculate the values based on the close price. Afterwards we use array set as series to sort the array from the current candle downwards. And with copy buffer, we fill our moving average array according to the definition that we have created here. For one line, we start with candle 0, that's the current candle, and we copy the values for 3 candles. And afterwards we can get the moving average value by just looking into candle 0 of our moving average array. And if that value is below the bid price, we consider that to be a buy signal, so we assign the word buy to our signal. And for a buy signal we are going to call a function called setChartColorBackground and set the color to green. In the other case, if the value for the moving average is above the ask price, we consider that to be a sell signal, so now we assign the word sell to our signal. And we call the background color function and set the background color to red. Let's add a third condition. If the value for the moving average is below the ask price and above the bid price, that would mean that we have no signal, so we set the value for our signal to none. And in that case we would like to call the custom function and set the background to black. Well, if you mark that and press F1, you will see that there are lots of other colors that you could choose. But this function doesn't exist so far, so we need to create it in a few seconds. Let's add a chart output by using the command statement, and that will show us the text the current signal is and the calculated signal directly on our chart. Now let's create the custom function. It doesn't return a value, so we use void here. The name of the function is setChartColorBackground, and it takes a parameter. This one is of the type color. I have called it background color, but you can call it whatever you like. And inside that function we are going to use chart set integer for the current symbol on the chart. We want to set the color, so we use chart_color_background, all in capital letters. And the last parameter here is the background color that we have passed here. And that's about it. Well, if this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code here does, maybe you want to watch one of the other basic videos first, or maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. This again was an idea of a premium course member, and if you are a premium course member and have an idea for such a video, please send me an email. For now we click on the compile button or press F7. You shouldn't get any errors here, and if this is the case you can click on the little button here or press F4 to go back to MetaTrader. And inside of MetaTrader we click on View, Strategy Tester or press Ctrl and R. Please pick the new file simplebackgroundcolor.ex5, enable the visual mode here and start a test. This is how it looks like. Currently we have a sell signal, and when it changes to buy, we see that the background color also changes. And in this little video you have learned how to create an expert advisor that is able to change the background color based on buy and sell signals. And you have coded it yourself with a few lines of MQL5 code.